Apollo.io can streamline cold calling efforts by providing enriched lead data, contact details, and sales insights. Here's how to use Apollo.io for effective cold calling. Build a targeted lead list. Use Apollo.io's advanced search filters to identify your ideal prospects based on criteria like job title, company size, industry, and location. Export these leads to create a focused call list. Enrich leads with contact information. Apollo.io provides verified phone numbers and email addresses for most leads. Access this data to ensure you're calling the right person directly, bypassing gatekeepers where possible. Analyze insights for personalization. Each Apollo.io lead profile includes company details, revenue, and recent activity. Use these insights to craft a tailored pitch that resonates with the prospect's challenges and goals. Integrate with your CRM or dialer. Sync Apollo.io with your CRM or integrate it with your calling software to streamline the process. This helps you track calls, log interactions, and manage follow-ups efficiently. Track and optimize. After each call, log the outcome in Apollo.io. Use the platform's analytics to assess performance metrics and refine your approach for better results.